so once you've got the drone, I removed the old one from here so that it's not trying to connect two Mini 4s. I do have another drone connected to this, but so then we're going to go into the best way to do that is I'm just going to hold this power button down. Okay, so that should be in the mode to connect it. Searching for aircraft. Tap pair to, okay, so it should be okay, so it's starting to pair now. SD card, activate DJI, agree, you must agree, you can read through the agreement. So yeah, both the drone and the controller have to go into pair mode. That was the problem that I was having. Comes up with firmware updates. I'm not going to do that now. I just got a notice on there saying that it's successfully paired this Mini 4 to this controller. Okay, so now we can see the Mini 4s on there. Go into the profile, check the device management. Okay, so we can see it's green. That means it's ready to go. So that should be enough now to make it fly. Going to go fly. Move this out of the way so you can see that, and there you go. So the camera's working now. So it's actually paired. So I'm going to go outside and just quickly check that everything's okay. And that's what you do when you get a new replacement. So yeah, you have to pair, make sure both the drone and the controller's in pairing mode. Otherwise, yeah, it won't work. Thanks for watching. Bye.